guys, so tonight I will be bringing you guys with me to watch Paradiso by Dante at Teatro della Pergola. And I'm so excited because I've never been to this theater, and I've heard a lot from my friends that this theater is the most beautiful theater here in Florence. Teatro della Pergola is a historical theater in Florence, Italy. It is located in the city center on Via della Pergola, from which the theater takes its name. Built between 1652 and 1656 by a group of Florentine nobles interested in the cultivation of arts, the Pergola was the first theater in Italy to be built with boxes encircling the auditorium. So guys, we are finally here at Teatro della Pergola, and it's so beautiful, as you can see. Like it's like the decorations are insane. They're like, yeah, so beautiful. And I'm here with Cooking with the Stars, and they invited me again for tonight. Unfortunately, I can't take snippets, of the play tonight, but yeah, I will tell you guys about it later when it finishes. So, I just finished watching Paradiso by Dante Alighieri, and overall, the whole thing was amazing. Like, it was my first time to be there at Teatro della Pergola, and like the actor was really good, and wait, you're so sorry, I need to cross the street first. The actor was really good. The sound effects was amazing. Like, it was really, like, it gave me goosebumps. And the lighting, it was very hypnotizing. Overall, my first experience at Teatro della Pergola was amazing. I suggest that if you guys want to see something like an opera or a play or a ballet even, you should try it. I'm sure you won't regret it. So before I finish this video, I would like to thank Cooking with the Stars for inviting me to this lovely evening. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao!